Solo traveling can be scary, especially for women. But here are some tips for a good trip. Choose your destination with intent. You can travel better by understanding why you want to go to the picked destination. While researching about the location, also consider the nightlife and how safe it is. Visualize the necessities and pack light. This makes movement easy and less stressful. The first night can be overwhelming, especially if it's your first time traveling alone. So plan your first night well. When choosing an accommodation, consider your personality. If you are an extrovert, you can thrive in a hostel. If not, choose a private room or a hotel. Most importantly, carry out an extensive research of the location of your accommodation. Eat local, interact local, travel local. But be cautious. The locals share the best tips on where to visit and also how to avoid tourist traps. Apart from researches made, this has been very helpful to me. In all, solo traveling can be fun and you explore at your own pace. Plan well and stay safe.